Greetings, Earthlings. Coming at you in both ears now. Shout out to J Little Squatch Sicka for letting me know what's what, telling me that things are only coming out through one ear. But not anymore. I found the problem and I fixed it. And we're going to come out loud and clear now. Can you hear me now? How is everybody doing today? Here with a little market update, taking a look at the charts, perusing, cruising, and choosing what to do. We were looking at the NASDAQ yesterday. We'll take another look at it. You can see we actually broke out of our little downtrend line here on the RSI and the MACD. If we zoom into the price here, I'll just do a little zoom skis. You can see we actually had a nice break of this level here. Closed above that level, broke that level, and we took out this level too. So that is the highest level in some time since August of last year, which is notable. It's something. Some things are heading up. So, what does that mean? Well, that can mean a lot of things. If we take a look over at the SPX, this is a chart I showed a few days ago. Just wanted to update on this. Got our RSI still in this ascending triangle pattern. Can see price past 3 weeks is kind of rallied back up. This rectangle here is some heavy resistance overhead. For the bulls, if you want to see this price go up, this would be a great thing to see. Price break this level, come back down, retest it, and continue up. And if you see that on the RSI as well, that is a major sign of strength. Keep an eye out for that. Another chart I wanted to show, this is Ethereum, Bitcoin. I've been watching this one for a while. It's been in a pretty tight range. Kind of broke bear a few days ago, about a week and a half ago. And we're coming back up to test this level. This has been just kind of sideways for a long time now. We just kind of box this out. You can see if my box will work. There we go. Just pretty much sideways in this range for a while. Long time now, since May of 2021. So we'll see how this plays out. For altcoins to go up, usually Ethereum leads them, so we'd like to see this rally go up, but chances are historically when this goes down, Bitcoin's in control. Bitcoin dominance is in control. In the past few bull markets coming out of the bear market, Bitcoin has led the charge, so that is definitely in the cards, as we are showing some signs of coming out of this bear market into the bull. And this is definitely something to keep an eye on. A couple stocks I wanted to highlight real quick. This is Microsoft on the monthly time frame. This is the NASDAQ, and this is pretty much a textbook bull flag. If you looked up bull flag in a technical analysis book, this is pretty much what you would see to the T. So, especially with the developments in technology lately, the one we do not speak of, the one you talk to or chat with, this definitely has the potential to run. We have some bullish crosses down here on our wave trend and our ADX and DI, and we'll see how this plays out. Another thing I wanted to highlight was Meta, Facebook. A lot of strength here. We're on the monthly. Bull cross down here. ADX and DI did not cross yet. But this is classic V-shape recovery coming back into some resistance. We'll see if this kind of just pops out of it or just makes a lower high and rolls over. But in general, these are all kind of linked together. So rising tide raises all ships. If you see the NASDAQ and the S&P head up, chances are these two are rising as well. All right, over to our hypothetical Bitcoin trade. Wanted to spend some time on this today because the way we had this trade set up, we hit our stop and we would have been stopped out. So this trade is over. It would be taken for a small loss, 3.34%. And done, and on to the next one. When I get a losing trade, I like to think of it as a learning opportunity. What went wrong? What did we do right? What did we do wrong? What did we learn? What can we do next time? So we had clear-cut entries on this. It was a good entry. It was a bearish divergence. That was a heavy signal. We came down. We actually came down about 5% or so from where we entered. So our original plan was somewhat accurate. We just did not hit our target. So what would I do for this next time? Potentially have a progressive stop. Move the stop down. If we hit a certain percentage, just take profit and stop out. Exit the trade. Again, there's different ways you can adjust this. It's all learning experiences. One other thing you can look at, taking short positions in a bull trend usually does not work out too well, as that is technically trading against the trend. So we're on our multiple RSI chart here. So we're on the 4-hour chart. Bottom is the weekly RSI. This is the daily, and this is the 4-hour. So quick look at this. You can quickly tell if we're bear or bull according to the weekly RSI. Above 50 is bull, below is bear. So perhaps next time looking at a short trade, just use this as another parameter. If the weekly RSI is above the 50, just be real careful with the shorts. Take profit right away. Smaller position size, whatever it can be to adjust the strategy as such. This is a useful tool for that. Again, none of this is financial advice. This is all educational. Just another look at this. So Bitcoin, we're still in our range. Popped up, stopped out, and we're back in it. We'll see if we continue in this little channel here or pop out above. Wise man once said that loss was a lesson. Consider it a blessing. Yeah, you know who you are. So yeah, another thing in trading is just you got to let it go and move on to the next. Just look for your next signal. The more you can put this out of your mind and not let it do any psychological damage, the better off you're going to be. So that is done. It is gone. It is over. And we are looking for the next opportunity. My name is Mr. E. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Coming at you through both ears, because that's the way it should be. Have a beautiful evening, Earthlings, Universians, worldly beings from all over the galaxy. See you tomorrow.